Hello, cherished viewers, customers, and prospective clients. Here comes a special episode of our usual updates. I am your host, Gabriel Kwesi Fosu. Welcome back. This is so fresh in that, Eyo Yarefa. Oyarefa off the Ebri Road, Udru Ghana Flag Junction, Omane Oraita. You are heading towards Jolly Homes Properties, where we have Oyarefa Cottage and Villa de Greens. You feel the breeze of the mountains from my extreme right. Sabrina, join me as we proceed, as we enter the Villa de Greens site. We were here a month ago, and let's get inside and see what is going on at Villa de Greens site.
No hidden costs, no tricks, no.
Wow! And the room called Villa de Greens. You share the edifice of the entrance. You see that Jolly Homes Properties, thumbs up. You are doing great, marvelous, and well. You have funny to This is what we recommend for you. Villa de Greens. We have a lot in stock for you. Let's get inside. Let's see what is going on. Construction and development at the site. Are you ready? Join me. This is a proposed 60-unit project, Villa de Greens. Enti eswapa, yesi adankwa 60 units or more. Ya basi 3 bedroom ni 4 bedrooms nkwa. Na ubomode ebe kambusu na hontema, ubenya ode ntema nsana asa. Promo aka ho, meka promo ka ho a ya discount and asabre ye ton. 60 units no, emu aduasa ekọ 30 ekọ dada. Diaka no, why are you wasting time? Villa de Greens, 4 bedroom no, you have 2 master bedrooms. Don't forget, 1 upstairs, 1 downstairs. Because you want to say, nipa nyinia, what to dine we sit down no, unyini no, na age kachewa, and one day baba form. Inti as I say, o master bedroom no, unya ba ko form. Na unyini na nyini broswa, what the surna man kola no, na wafa form no. Inti Villa de Greens, aside bricks, I did sit there. You did nature, Abraham Wano, a day Villa de Greens in Inti. You started greens in Intim. You see our flower pots. We are working on the greens. The parks and gardens department are doing the greens from now as we start building. Inti yesterday, you know, now how you're full of greens. You know, Toncha, you have the feel. We've started. And these are some of the 4-bedroom house and 3-bedroom house. Now, adia ba kwa saka want to say. Your 3-bedroom, your 4-bedroom, you recommend this say no ECG. And yes, Moneso, as a channel said, we are doing solar. We want nature to be here. In the greens now, you're saying your solar panels. I will fear. Only doom so at Quanta ya pie. Now, Faye, your son, I'm out dino. The open when your womb, and only preference, no, and only add-ons, no. So, one who sit down now, a DM features, amenities, facilities now open wall, who feel hot. You have some near and pepe amount. That is why we say it's your dream home. Jolly Homes, yes, yeah. You know our track record. Jolly Homes. So when we mention anything, when we move to any site, just follow up. Those doing referrals, hey Uncle K, me ciao, Auntie Agnes, also me ciao, Obia wato bibiano, hey, Moamunya advertine for bimra. Recommend Moya Dada, Mokoswa enye Jolly Homes Properties. We have a lot of things in stock for you. Inti Niema Yehuwahi, 30 ko aka 30. When are you taking yours? 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom? Don't forget, we have the 2-year payment package and the 7-year payment package. Pay in installments. In 8 months, we hand over keys to your dream home, whilst you continue paying the monthly subscription. Hook us on our hotlines on the screen. Then book your units, close your deal, and enjoy the feel of Villa de Greens. We are here for you 247. More diaspora, more poetry. Hey, man, we give you a weekly update on where we've gotten to at your project. So never mind, and then how we chat tickets. So Ghana, I'm ahead you. We will give you a weekly report, a weekly update on your unit, so that you feel that you have a genuine case and you are in a genuine hands and you are safe with Jolly Homes. Abusafo, me close to Yansha de Ayakakrano. On this note, let me remind you once again that the 2-year payment plan package is this. This is the price. These are the conditions. The 7-year payment plan package is here. This is the plan. This is the package. Who choose 2-year payment plan with 0 interest or 7-year payment plan with 14% per annum interest? The ball is in your court. Choose it wisely and let's move. Pay 20% or more. Pay 50% or more. And in 8 months' time, we hand over your keys to your dream home whilst you continue paying the monthly subscription. Those in US, you are paying in Colorado. Those in Ghana, you can pay through any bank. Jolly Homes Properties, our hotlines in our call us 24/7 and make any reservation, enquiries, bookings, and get your updates. I am your host today, Gabriel Kwesi Fosu. Same time next week, you enjoy this same fresh updates. The Opebiano, Alpha Jolly Homes, no, just a mea, Medebamau. Question Biano, comment section. My questions, no, Yebayuano, Amabia Akoso. Clients, are you ready for your weekly updates? Let's go. This Saturday, fresh for each client and also Eba. Management and staff. Work in progress. Workers in Suha or BIA Juma. 8 months. This is a project less than 2 months. A project less than 2 months. Some few inches to get to a later stage. So, sister unit at Villa de Greens. Rush now. 053-2370-448. 053-2370-449. These are our hotlines. Call 247 and you'll be attended to. Thank you. Best regards. Bye.